Hi everyone, welcome to Developing the World Through the Arts in Teaching Period 3. I am your ELA, my name is Beck Burley, and I'm really looking forward to working alongside you this teaching period. Now it is in the middle of the crazy season, in the middle of Christmas. However, we do get 2 weeks, so we get a week of consolidation week and then we get a week holiday. So I won't be online those 2 weeks. Obviously, the week after Christmas and New Year, I will be going away with my family. We're going camping, so I won't be taking my computer with me. And obviously, Christmas is a little bit crazy. So I hope that you really enjoy this teaching period. It is a little quieter. The groups are a little bit smaller, but this is a really fun unit. And it's all about being creative. And last time I did this unit, a lot of my students actually said to me, I'm not creative. Like, I don't have a creative bone in my body. I'm really stressed out about doing this. However, by the end of the unit, they came to realize actually everyone is creative in your own right and in your own way. Everyone can be defined as creative. So I hopefully want to really show you that you yourself are creative, and you as teachers can bring out the creativeness of children through the 4 strands of the arts that we're going to be looking at, which is drama, dance, music, and the performing arts. Anyway, a bit about me. I've got 2 children, Isabella and Eve. They are 4 and 5. Isabella will be off to school next year, so about week 8, I might be a little bit teary, a little bit nervous, as my baby girl goes off to school. So bear with me that week. I have a husband as well. We live in Melbourne, in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne, and currently enjoying a relatively sunny day as I record this for you. Okay, so we will be looking at the 4 strands of the arts, obviously, and working through those. Your first assessment is going to be an essay, and your second assessment is going to be a folio, which I think are the best assessments because they're the ones that you get to really use. But it's great that there's only 2 assessments. It really takes the pressure off. So I really want to encourage you to use your time wisely, to be organised, especially with the crazy period of Christmas and New Year's and holidays. Get it in ahead. Ask me any questions. I have done this unit before, so I am aware of what the assessments are. I want to encourage you to watch the Flip collabs and come along to the live collab sessions. They're actually here to help you, and really there should be no reason for you guys to fail an assessment. So I really want to encourage you to be active, be a contributor, and use all that we give you. So look on the assessment question and answers, contribute to discussion boards, ask those questions that you don't know the answers to. Even if they seem really silly, just ask them, because there's no doubt that someone else is thinking the same thing. What else do I want to say? I hope you have a great time. I know that a lot of you are working full time, that you have children, that you have lives on top of all your study, and I take my hat off to you because I couldn't. I'm a full-time mum and I work for Swinburne Online. I do a bit of emergency teaching here and there, so I am still in the classroom whilst I'm on maternity leave. I've been teaching for 12 years and I love it. I love my job, but I also love being a mum and the role that is, and that is probably my main focus at this present point in time. And next year and the year after, my job will change a little bit as well. So I want to encourage you guys, ask for help if you need it. I'm here to support you and journey with you and help you to succeed. I am a human being. I am a person. I get that life can get stressful and things happen and kids get sick, and just sing out and shout me an email. Shoot me an email and just let me know how you're going, or if you're struggling or whatever it is. I hope you really have a great teaching period. I hope you really enjoy this unit. It's a fun one. It's one that I absolutely love. and I love being creative myself, and I love being creative with my own children and also the children in the classroom. And hopefully that you get to see that creativity can be used in almost any part of the curriculum. Have a great week. Hop onto the discussion board and introduce yourself, and I look forward to getting to know you more as the weeks progress. Have a great week, guys. Bye.